So my son helped a buddy clean out a garage. His buddy just wanted to throw a bunch of scrap away. So my son brought the trailer back here first to see if there's anything out of it that I could use. And surprisingly, there's a decent amount of good metal that he was just gonna get rid of. This is also where I pulled that heater out of that I fixed. So I'm gonna pull out the usable stuff, and I've got a couple project ideas I want to try to make some of the material. So yeah, let's get to pulling some of this stuff out and figure out what we can use and what we can't. So a decent amount of this is just trash, but there's some good stuff in here. There's a bucket full of electrical boxes. There's this toolbox. It has 4 real good heavy-duty casters, some round stock, nuts, bolts, a bunch of leaves. Got shit. So, composite wood screws, a nice big piece of flat steel with some C-channel attached to it. As expensive as metal is, it's definitely good to make use of what you can. Some cold metal off the counter. Always used for some wire. Like a brand new flywheel. So far, that's some of the stuff that I've gotten out of here. So you go right there, Chevy 454, 168 teeth. So let's see what we got over here. Rear brake cable, some nuts and bolts. Oh, those are some heavy duty suckers. Well, you never know when a cable like that can come in handy, so that's worth holding on to. The prices of stuff these days is just, it's insane. It makes it really hard to afford to do anything, especially if it's not a necessity. So I'm not going to turn down free stuff, especially if I can repurpose it. I have a little idea that I want to try with this scraper blade here. See if it works, but worth checking into. I'm trying to decide if I want to use these lockers here for storage. It wouldn't be a bad thing to have. I could put some shelving in these things and be a great place to store stuff. Perfect. I'd like to figure out a way to be able to attach this relatively easily so it can be taken off. Primarily what I would use this for is ditch work, maybe some snow removal. If I can't fit the bucket into somewhere like a walkway or something like that, I can just pull it out with this. Anywhere where grading something that wide would be beneficial. I'm thinking maybe if I made some sort of housing that teeth could slide into on the front, and then back here maybe I could rig up something to kind of secure it to this. So yeah, I don't know yet, but that's my thought with it. Pretty good amount of bad wind the other day, 2 days ago, and it ripped my temporary roof off of this. It's just been kind of my stash all place. Go get a locker.
I'm a pusher man, pusher man, bitch. Not till I die. I'm a pusher man, pusher man, bitch. Not till I die.
It's not so much heavy, it's just awkward.
I'm a pusher man, bitch. Not till I die. I'm a pusher man, bitch. Not till I die. I'm a pusher man.
Work. Alright, so here's what I'm thinking. Got a bunch of junk 2x4s. Cut these to length, screw them to each side, find something to put over the top. Just gonna go with 1.25 inch, the big heads on them. Should work fairly well. So I measured off the floor, which I probably shouldn't have, because looking at it, it's bent as shit. So they are definitely not level. Well, I was able to scrounge around, find some old plywood, found an old wooden shelf thing. I didn't really film any of that because how exciting is it watching somebody put shelves in a locker? But anyway, that'll help give me room to store some of this stuff. I already got the buckets of electrical stuff and miscellaneous shit down there and there that I need to go through and figure out what is in and what's of value and worth keeping. Probably gonna throw that flywheel up on Marketplace and see if anybody wants it. And yeah, just clean up my mess. Overall, I would say it's a good day of scavenging or sorting through trash or scrap picking or whatever the hell you want to call it. But yeah. All right, well, cool. Well, hopefully you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.